Hi there, I'm Alora from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up Bold custom pricing by following our in-app onboarding flow. After custom pricing has been installed on your store and the terms of service approved, the first thing you'll see is the option to book a free onboarding call with our team. These calls offer a great opportunity to meet one-on-one with a member of our customer success team. We're happy to answer all your questions and ensure custom pricing is perfectly configured for your store. To book a call, click Book Now. In the pop-up modal, select a date and time that work for you. Then click Next. Enter your information in the provided form, and once you're done, click Schedule Event. If you don't want to book a call, then you can click Proceed Without Help to move to the next step. Next, you are taken through a short questionnaire to help determine the best plan for your needs. Answer all the questions that are presented to you. If the plan recommendation works for your needs, click Choose this plan. If you would like to view other plans, click View All Plans and select another plan. We'll choose this plan. The next step is to install custom pricing to your theme. In this video, we'll be using an Online Store 2.0 theme, but you can also follow this guide if you're using a vintage theme. We recommend choosing an unpublished copy of your theme so you can test the features and ensure everything works as it should before going live. Once you've selected a theme, click Confirm. If an Online Store 2.0 theme is detected, you're directed to your theme editor so you can enable the necessary app embeds on your theme. Visit our installation guide for custom pricing and follow the steps to install custom pricing on your Online Store 2.0 theme. If you've selected a vintage theme in this step, you will be prompted to submit an install request to our team. The remaining onboarding steps depend on your custom pricing plan. Some steps are not needed for certain plans. If you don't see a step, please skip ahead. Custom pricing requires customers to log into their accounts to see their customer-specific pricing. Click Set Up to open Shopify and ensure sign-in links are visible to customers. Return back to the onboarding flow and click Mark as Complete to advance to the next step. In this step, you'll need to create your customer tags in custom pricing. Tags are used to identify which customers get your discounts. Click Set Up, then click Add Tag. Enter in a tag name. Please note that tags are case sensitive and must also be added to your customers' Shopify profiles exactly as they appear in the app. For example, if I enter VIP with all capital letters, I also need to enter VIP with all capital letters in Shopify. Next, enter a default discount percentage. This field is used as a placeholder in your product pricing groups and can also be used to apply a discount store-wide if the box is checked. Next, you can choose whether or not to charge taxes for customers with this tag in the Shopify checkout. If you're on the premium plan or higher in custom pricing, you can apply an auto tag rule. You can choose to automatically tag a customer when they spend a certain amount, buy a certain product, or if their shipping or billing address is located in a certain country. You can read more about this premium feature on our Help Center. Next, enter a description for the tag. The description helps you identify this tag between other tags within custom pricing. If you would like the discount for customers with this tag to apply to all of your products, check the box next to Apply Discount Store-Wide. Click Save. To create additional tags, click Add Tag and repeat the same steps. Once you have created all the tags you require, return back to the onboarding flow. Next, you can set up a product pricing group. Product pricing groups allow you to choose the products you want to offer at a discount and set the discount for each customer tag. If you are on the premium plan or higher and are planning to use detailed pricing for highly specific product discounts, you can skip this step. To continue, click Set Up, then click Create Product Pricing Group at the top of the page. Enter an internal name for your price group. This helps you identify this price group from other price groups within custom pricing. Next, choose a calculation type for your discounts. In the dropdown, you can choose percent discount, price discount, or set a fixed price. Please note that when setting a fixed price, the price must be lower than the original product price. Fixed prices that are set higher than the product price will be disregarded. If you want, you can override the cent value of each discounted amount. To do this, check the box next to Override Cents and enter a number for each discounted price to end in. Under Group Schedule, you can set a start and end date to activate and deactivate the price group automatically. The time used here is based on your store's local time zone. Click Select Products and choose the products you would like to offer for discount. In Setup Pricing, enter your desired discounts for each customer tag present in Custom Pricing. By default, the discount set for each tag appears, but you can change this amount as desired. If you have quantity breaks included in your plan, click the blue plus icon to add another row, where you can set the quantity needed for additional discounts for all tagged and non-tagged customers. The next settings control how quantity break discounts are handled. When Apply Customer Quantity Pricing per individual variance is enabled, customers need to purchase multiples of the exact same variant in order to receive a quantity-based discount. When Apply Customer Quantity Pricing across product is enabled, customers need to purchase multiples of the same product in order to receive a quantity-based discount. If Mix and Match is enabled, you can create a label that can be used in other price groups so customers can receive volume discounts when purchasing multiples of any products that belong to groups with the same label. Lastly, under Group Status, click the drop-down and choose a group status. Selecting Sync on Save activates the price group when saved, unless you've added a start date, in which case the group will automatically activate itself on the date you've set. Selecting Save on Draft leaves the price group on pause until you manually activate it. Select Save at the bottom of the page to save the price group. If you would like to create more price groups, click Create Product Pricing Group and repeat the same steps. Once you have created all of the pricing groups you require, return back to the onboarding flow. Next, you can set up your detailed pricing rules. Detailed pricing allows you to easily create individualized discounts per product variant without the need to create multiple product pricing groups. You can choose to upload your discounts using a CSV file or create your own discounts on the page. In this demo, we'll go through the steps on how to create your discounts on the detailed pricing page. Visit our Help Center for instructions on importing discounts with a CSV file. Click Set Up. Here, you'll see a table containing all your products by variant and the customer tags you've set up in custom pricing. You can narrow down the list of products using the filters at the top of the page, or navigate through each page using the next and previous arrows at the bottom of the page. For each variant, you can select the discount calculation type using the drop-down menu, and then set the discount value for each tag. If you would like to apply quantity break discounts, click the plus icon in the desired tag. Enter your quantity break discounts and click Confirm. Once you are finished creating your discounts, click Save Detailed Pricing at the bottom of the page. In the last step, you can integrate custom pricing with Shopify POS if you have the complete plan. To add it to all of your POS locations, click Set Up. Click on the bold Custom Pricing POS extension. In the Smart Grid tile, click Add. Navigate back to the onboarding flow and click Mark as Complete. And that's it. For more information on custom pricing, please check out our Help Center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.